Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new customer in QuickBooks Desktop. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. Many small business owners uses QuickBooks, which is one of the leading accounting software out there today. So learning QuickBooks for your business is very important. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new customer in QuickBooks Desktop. On customer, then you would click on Customer Center. In the Customer Center toolbar, click on New Customer and Jobs. So you have the New Customer window, which is open on the screen right now. In the Customer Name field, you'll type a unique name for this customer. In this video, I will use the new name customer as Brent Johnson. The next thing you want to do is to enter the customer contact information. The company name, unlike the customer name, which acts like an identifier, the company name field is nothing more than the customer name as you want it to appear on the invoice and other forms you create. So therefore, the company name is also Brent Johnson. Before I move on, the opening balance, I just leave that blank. And as of date, I leave 11/1/2020 because that's the date I'm now bringing on the customer to my company. So I just finished typed in Brent Johnson as the customer name. Sorry, as the company name, Brent Johnson. Now let's look at the full name area. The full name area. The first name will be Brent. And the last name will be Johnson. The job title area, I will leave it blank because I do not have any job for this customer. However, if you do have a job, you will put the name of the job in the job title area. The main phone is 762956566. That's Brent Johnson main phone number. The email address, Brent Johnson, it will be at gmail.com. The work number is the same as the main number. The email address, which I just did actually, the main email address. The CC email, we'll leave that blank. The work phone number, which I just did, is the same as the main number. The mobile, there's no mobile number. He did not provide us with any mobile number. Also the website, he did not. But those fields, the mobile, the fax, the website, as I mentioned, he did not provide us any information concerning those areas, the fax number, the mobile, and the website address. If your customer give you those, you will fill them out. Now let's come down to the address area where we will put his address. So his address is 13411 Seal Street. And those addresses are actually made up address just to show demonstration on how to create a customer in QuickBooks. So this is just fake addresses for demonstration of this video. Now let's go to so this area is filled with all the information we need. We can just click copy, and this will also go to the shipping address area. Now let's look at the payment setting areas, which is this. The account number, we have for him would be 256. The credit limit, we don't have that information, so we leave it blank. The payment terms, we have net 30. With your company, it could be different. It could be net 15, but with our company and brand, our term agreed on is net 30. The preferred email, we had that already, which would be the same from the address information, which is brentjohnson@gmail.com. But the preferred communication would be, preferred method of delivery would be email. Preferred method of payment is check. So we'll go ahead and select check. Now, if it was credit card, let's say it was American Express, we would have filled the information of the credit card information, the credit card number, the expiration date, the name of the card, the address, zip code, postcode, and so on, postal code, and so on. But seeing that our payment method with Brent is check, we will leave the credit card information blank. So next we will, there's no price level neither. We leave that blank. We go to the sales tax settings tab. So we do not charge sales tax for this on the service we provide. So we'll leave that blank. If you do charge sales tax, you want to go ahead and fill that area with the for the tax code. But for our company, we do not charge our customers sales tax. So the tax code on the sales tax settings, we'll leave that blank. Same as the tax item, and there's same will be with the resale number. So that whole area will be blank. So we go to the additional information. That is not mandatory, so therefore we leave it blank. Now we do not have a particular job for this customer, so I'm also going to leave this information blank. This whole area I will leave it blank because we do not have no particular job doing for them. For example, if there was a construction company and you're working on a particular job that is set to be completed in 6-8 months, you would name that job on there. But as I say, we do not work on jobs, so we don't need to put any job description in that area for the under the job info. However, as I said, if you have a particular job, you would definitely go ahead and include it, fill it out in that area. So I have everything completed I need, like the address information. This is completed. The payment, I also have that information completed. The sales tax, we do not tax or charge our clients sales tax, so this is left blank. The additional information, same thing I said, leave that blank. We don't have any information for that. It's not really mandatory. And the job information, we also will leave blank because we do not have any particular job doing for this customer. So this is left blank. So we have everything completed here on the new customer screen. So what I will do, I would click OK. So that's where you have it. So my customer Brent is set up, Brent Johnson, with all his information that's needed for that customer, that new customer Brent. So that's how you will go about creating a new customer in QuickBooks Desktop. Thanks for watching this video. If you need assistance with QuickBooks training or setting up QuickBooks for your company, you can contact me through email, which is listed below in the description of the video.